Ledgers. Now I will show you how to create ledgers. Create ledgers, edit ledgers, delete ledgers and view the statement, everything in one place. You can click it here, heads and ledgers. There is already we grouped commonly used ledgers as expense, employee, income, cash accounts, bank accounts, like that we separate suppliers, customers. Each ledger we separated as a different groups. So for example, I want to create an expense ledger. For example, I create here and I need to create one new ledger, office maintenance. This is the ledger. Automatically it will be expenses under indirect expenses. I need to give any description, I can give here also. So the ledger will be created. I can search the ledger also here, office maintenance. So office maintenance here. Like that I can create the ledger, employee ledger I can create it here, and incomes I can create it here, and everything, cash accounts, bank accounts, everything I can create it here, customers, suppliers, everything will be here. And there is another thing for other ledgers. For example, basic commonly used ledgers we grouped here, but there is lots of another ledgers. You need to create it yourself, some ledgers. That will be here, other ledgers. All ledger will be displayed here. Even the grouped ledgers, everything will be displayed here. So I need to create a asset ledger here, fixed assets for example. So for example, I give my car and the ID I can mention it here, and you can select the accounts group here, which group of this one, fixed asset, and you need to create separate group, because here already the default few groups. You need to create yourself the group. You can create it here also. You can click it here, new. For example, cars. Just I give one group, and here I mention for the assets 7 close. So under you can create yourself also the accounts groups. So the accounts group will be created and you can give the description. And the dashboard group, there also you need to mention, because on the dashboard which section this one I want to display. In the fixed asset I need to display in this particular ledger value. If you don't want to display anywhere, you can click it none also, better. In the fixed asset you need to display on the dashboard, it will be good also. And 7 close. Like that you can create the ledgers. And there is option to edit ledgers. If you want to edit this ledger, for example, I need to edit this transportation, just click it, edit, and whatever the editing required, I can give it here. If I don't want any ledger, I can delete also. For example, this office maintenance, I want to delete, just delete also. And attach document, you can attach the document also, the particular ledger. And you can see the statement also. In the statement, you can see the statement also. And you can create the ledger, one quick creation option also here in the create new. The commonly used ledgers will be here. You can, if you want to create one customer, easily you can click here and you can create. Or you want to create one expense ledger, just click it here and create the expense ledger. So all quick access will be here in the create new. And while you are making the transaction time also, you can make it, you can create new ledgers. For example, I am making for the one payment. For example, the particular ledger doesn't have in my list. Easily I can create here menu, create new head, and just give the name and ID and under everything and fill it and save it. Like that you can create the ledger from here also. Thank you.
For download, www.accrobiz.com